Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5341P. This is a 2025 Ram ProMaster 2500 cargo van with 73K. Nice low K on this one. Really nice clean van. Well outfitted. Plenty of room in the back if you wanted to put some shelving or if you're using it as a courier. It's got some tie downs on the floor. It's also nice and tall. You can stand up in here as well if you wanted to work out of here. You've got 10 feet from the bulkhead to the back door, so it is big enough for full lengths of pipe if you are an electrical contractor or a plumbing and heating contractor. And these ones are front wheel drive as well, but some people do like, for ripping around in Saskatchewan in the wintertime, having the front wheel drive is a little bit different of an operation than having like a conventional rear wheel drive, two wheel drive van. This one's got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt and cruise, and then there's also Bluetooth as well. Nice little screen there, and really comfy seats as well. They've got armrests and they're fairly adjustable, so to spend some time in here wouldn't be a burden, that's for sure. Again, this is stock number 5341P, a 25 Ram ProMaster cargo.